We're going to blow some leaves away. Clean the inside of a car. Blow the leaves off the cowl. Clean dry the top of the container. From the makers of Sofware is a 220G turbo fin, up to 100 minutes of runtime, full metal alloy. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what to get inside the box. 4-gear adjustable unit with the 4,000 milliamp battery, instruction guide on the top. It's USB Type-C in the package and nicely protected in foam plastic is your full metal alloy fan. 1 meter of cable. On the back of the unit, plug in your cable. Inside the unit, you'll see a blue LED light illuminating the fan. The turbo fan, nice close-up look. With the protective screen, fits in a nice large hand. The blower, the on and off and adjustable speeds, and the 25, 50, 75, 100% blue LED increments. For a narrow field of blowing, leave the piece on the cone or simply screw off for a larger, wider area of blowing. To operate the turbo of 4 LEDs in blue, simply short press the unit 1 second or longer. You're on gentle, medium, high, turbo, and long press for off. Now that we've gone over the fan, let's go check it outside. Take off the cone and simply just blow clear the keyboard. You're looking for a duster, a blower. Clean up your air conditioner. Get rid of the dust that's hanging on the floor. Enjoy your seat duster. Anywhere that you need to get underneath, blow the dirt out to find your lost screw or whatnot. It's portable, compact, light in design, powerful indeed. 220 grams, 4,000 milliamp internal built-in battery, easy to fit into a pocket. Even a pocket on top of your t-shirt. Nice and small indeed. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for, an appliance for your electronic needs.